Hey guys, Luck here. So today I'm gonna be doing a waterproof test for the InPods 12s. So I've seen a lot of comments are the InPods 12 waterproof? Is the InPods 12 waterproof or not? So today we're gonna check that out. So I'm gonna put the InPods 12s in the water. I'm gonna submerge them for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes we're gonna check out if it's waterproof or not, if the audio quality is still gonna be good, or if it's even gonna connect at all. So we're gonna check that pretty quick. So let me get the timer ready and we can put it. So we're gonna set the timer at 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, we're gonna take this out and we're gonna check if this is waterproof or not. So let's start. And we're in. We got our 5 minutes out now. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna try to dry this up a little bit. It's got a lot of water inside. So let's see if this is gonna connect. Let's see if this is gonna connect up. So let's go to our settings, Bluetooth. Well, guys, so we cannot even find the InPods 12. So I guess this is definitely not waterproof. I would not recommend having this fall inside the toilet or having this fall inside the bowl of water when you're doing the laundry or when you're doing something else. I would definitely advise this doesn't fall down inside any form of water at all, or you take it swimming or anything like that. This is definitely not waterproof. So it's just definitely for the price, you do not expect that this will be waterproof. You do not expect that this will last a long time in the water, especially 5 minutes. Maybe I did use maybe the time I put in was too long, but definitely I don't think this is waterproof at all. So don't get your InPods 12s in the water. Okay, guys, thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Please don't forget to subscribe.